What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick and easy video. So you've downloaded Proximity, a really cool plugin from the Filament.io store. Thank you so much for your support. This is a really simple and straightforward tutorial. So basically, once you've installed Proximity, if you need help installing the plugin, just leave a comment down below or look on the page for the help section. We can help you install these plugins, no problem. On my screen here with Proximity, I have a ton of shapes. There's nothing special about these shapes. Nothing is happening. They're just here. Proximity is really easy to use. Let's go down here and open up Proximity in your extensions. Just go to Window, scroll down, find Proximity. And then what we need to do is just highlight all of our text, our shape layers in this case. Highlight all of our shape layers in this case. So Control A or Command A grabs them all. We want to do a, let's say, pull toward. That's it. And we just hit Apply Proximity. What it does is it generates a null, which is our effector. And as you can see, it just moves around and every shape has been affected by Proximity. From here, we grab the null, go to Effect Controls, and we can do a slider. So we can actually increase the drasticness of the thing. And, you know, the entire thing now shifts. So easy game. So let's undo all this and do a different setting. From here, let's go back to Proximity. Everything's still selected. Let's do a push away and fade, then apply Proximity. As you can see, it does a push away and a fade. Same thing, go into Effect Controls to change the drasticness of these effects. Let's do one more effect. Let's do Color Shift, scale down, and pull towards, and then apply Proximity. The default color is red. All we have to do is go click our Proximity controller, go to Effect Controls. Let's increase the pull distance. Let's do, I don't know, blue, doesn't matter, a dark blue. And then we can do the pull distance. It's like a really kind of crazy pull. And the minimum scale is going to be tiny. So now if we move our null around, it affects it like this. And from here you can just, you know, animate the null and it will move through your objects and do a quick animation. And that's how you quickly use Proximity. Thank you again for supporting us through our tools, and we have many more to come. So look out for updates, subscribe to our newsletter, and we will continue to push out new products, new tools, and updates for these tools to make sure these things are dope and they save you a lot of time at the end of the day. Thanks.